Alright, we're back here with our 2007 Honda Pilot. Has about 186,000 miles on it. Getting kind of old. We bought it around 120, 110, something like that. We had no idea if the timing belt, water pump had been changed. And so pushing almost 200,000, we decided to get it done. Bought this kit. Don't know how to pronounce that, but here's the kit number on it right there. What it comes with: the water pump, timing belts. Got your instruction card, the hydraulic tensioner, the tensioner bearing, and the idler bearing. It was about $20 or so. You can Google it and find a bunch of different places that sell it. After doing some research, they said that this was a good kit. I guess, obviously there's some cheaper ones, but this was a good one that is OEM quality, if not better. So got it changed. If you've never seen what a water pump looks like, here what it is. As you can kind of tell, this was trying to push it here, and it's kind of, doesn't flow as freely as it does or did more. So, and the guy that changed it, he said more than like him, this was still, I can see right here, this was still OEM, brand spanking new from day one. So obviously the water pump hadn't been changed, well, maybe not since day one, but unless it was just changed at the dealership, but I don't think it was. And you got some of these tensioners and whatnot. Once again, you can tell they don't spin as freely as they should. Same with this one as well. Surprising, the belt. This is the old belt. Looked like it was still in pretty good shape. Didn't have any tears or anything like that on it. But once again, had this kit just put on. Everything seems to be working just fine and perfectly on it. Well, here's the instruction manual. Once again, if you're a do-it-yourselfer, it's not a very bad job to do. I was gonna do it. I just don't have the tools. Hondas are known to have the crank bolt on there at a very crazy PSI, and so it takes a good compression or air gun to get it off, or the specific Honda tool. So other than that, I would have done it, but just didn't have the time and tools. So once again, let me show you. Here you go. Here's the part number on that. And don't forget, when you do this, to get the coolant, because that will have to be trained. I just got some of this stuff for Riley's. It's specifically formulated for Asian motors. So, it is what it is. So, alright, once again, this is for the 2007 Honda Pilot. Timing belt and water pump replacement. And this is just a kit that you can buy.